Everyone wants thicker, shinier, healthier hair, but not everyone wants to waste money on another overhyped serum. Vivelab Hair Serum has been popping up everywhere, promising repair, shine, and frizz control like it's some kind of miracle in a bottle. But does it actually work in 2026, or is it just expensive scented oil? Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product or affiliated with the brand. This review exists to help you avoid getting misled. Vivelab Hair Serum is marketed as a leave-in treatment designed to reduce frizz, add shine, and improve hair texture over time. It's typically used on damp or dry hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. The formula leans heavily on conditioning and smoothing ingredients, which means the immediate effect is cosmetic. Your hair feels softer, looks shinier, and is easier to manage after application. Many users report that it works well for taming flyaways and dryness, especially on chemically treated or heat-damaged hair. However, this is not a hair growth solution, and it doesn't repair damage at the root level. Some users also note that using too much can make hair look greasy fast, especially for fine or oily hair types. Consistency matters here, but expectations matter even more. This serum improves appearance, not biology. So here's the honest verdict. Vivelab Hair Serum isn't a scam, but it's also not magic. If your goal is smoother, shinier, more manageable hair, it can do that, provided you use the right amount and your hair type actually needs extra moisture. If you're expecting regrowth, thicker strands, or long-term repair without changing your overall hair routine, you'll be disappointed. Think of it as a styling support product, not a treatment that transforms your hair. My advice? Understand what it does, don't fall for exaggerated claims, and never judge it based on one use alone. If this review saved you from wasting money or helped set realistic expectations, hit like, subscribe, and comment what product you want investigated next. Stay smart, stay skeptical, and I'll see you in the next honest review.